So on today's episode, I'm going to be installing my new front fender from HogWorkz, the HogWorkz slicer. I got it back from my boy Kamal's paint shop, and so you're going to see what color I decided to go with. I'm also going to be throwing on a performance mod and a few other mods on today's episode, so you got to stay tuned in and continue to watch to find out what I'm putting on the bike today.
That I was high, knowing it's a lie. Growing up was street crazy, I know it's worth the fight. It shows you ain't alright. Pink powder blowing lines. Now that you can't reach me, all you do is blow my line.
Look at how clean this thing came out. That thing is beautiful. And Kamal did an amazing job. I'll make sure to link his website in the description box below. I mean, it just came out super clean. I know some of you guys are like, oh, you should have color matched it, but man, I like the way that the black came out. It looks mean and aggressive, and it's different. It's a nice contrast. If you guys see, the bike is denim gray, and then it has this just black fender that just sticks out now. It looks really aggressive. I like it. I love the way it turned out. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of it and how it turned out. I think it looks super clean, but let me know in the comment section if you think I made the right decision by going with the black, or should I have color matched it. I mean, guys, I'm thinking the black was the right choice though. It looks mean. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. All right, so we're also going to be installing today this Fuel Moto AC/DC air cleaner for the Harley M8 models. The part number on this is FM-AC-CLR, and I'll go ahead and put a link to Fuel Moto's website below where you can get this exact air cleaner. The one thing I am doing though is I'm installing a 1 inch bigger or 1 inch taller air filter, just because my build is a high horsepower build. So the part number on this is 10112766. The filter kit is 1 inch taller, so this is going to be 1 inch taller than this particular air filter. And then lastly, I'm going to be finishing it off with a Fuel Moto Typhoon AC clear cover. Part number is FM-AC-CLR. So I'm going to throw this bad boy on, and this is going to allow me to see all the way into my throttle body. So let's go ahead and get these on now.
Stop the lies, bringing me your headache. All I really need is time. Nobody understands what I do for you. Wanna be love plans, now I'm using you. Lie next to you. I really like to know if you'd be lying to me, while your hands on your phone and your arm wraps around me. Tired of your lies.
Okay, so I want to show you guys just the difference between the 1 inch filter size and the one that it comes with when you order the kit. So the 1 inch, I mean, it is, it's like it says 1 inch bigger. So it doesn't look like that much on camera, but in person it is quite a bit different. So let's go ahead and get it mounted on here. Okay, so one very important thing to note: if you are gonna do the same exact kit that I got, including the bigger air filter, you're going to need these stainless steel screws to mount the cover in 1 inch. So Fuel Moto provides you with 3/4, which will work with their kit. But in order to run the 1 inch S&S filter, you are going to need these 1 inch stainless steel screws. So instead of the 3/4 that they come with, you'll need the 1 inch one. So I just want to let you guys know that, so you are aware that if you try to mount it, it's not going to work. You are going to need to run to the store and pick some up. I just ran to an Ace Hardware and quickly got the stainless steel screws. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump right back into the build and finish it up.
the sky. I was blowing up your line to tell you that I'm fine. I'm not trying to play with you. I wanna.
That thing looks insane. I like it though. It matches the look. It definitely matches the look better now. Like this looks better than it did before with the other air cleaner on, and with that front fender. Man, it is coming together really nice. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I'm assuming it's going to perform way better than it did before because now it has more air coming through. It is not being limited. The air cleaner is no longer the bottleneck, I'm going to assume. But of course the dyno sheets will let me know for sure, and then obviously I'll share those with you guys. But overall, I'm super happy with the way that it turned out. Okay, now we're gonna work on removing these latches here. As you can see, these are like a polished chrome kind of latch, right? And I wanted to replace these with some nice black ones. So we are gonna have to remove these speakers to get to this latch, is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to pull these out. Shouldn't be too difficult, but I'm going to change those with these beauties right here. Now, I got these off of Amazon. I'm gonna put a link in the description below. These look like even better quality than the OEM ones, as funny as that sounds. I'll go ahead and link these in the description box below in case you guys are also interested in replacing your chrome latches with some black ones. They also come with the hardware needed. So let's go ahead and jump right into it.
Stream crazy, I know it's worth the fight. It shows you ain't alright. Big powder blowing lines. Now that you can't reach me, all you do is blow my line. Blow my line, baby. Stop the lies. Bringing me a headache, all I really need is time. Nobody understands what I do for you.
Alright, I just want to show you guys really quickly the fit and finish, how it actually turned out. So one side has the black on right now. I haven't done this side yet though, so you can see. So this side has the black one done, and yeah, the fit and finish, it's really nice. It still opens and functions the same. I don't know if you caught it in the video, but I would make sure that you try moving this latch forward and back before you actually completely put the speaker and everything back together. You want to make sure that you check it and make sure that everything's functional before you go through that whole process of putting the speaker back together, because it is a pain. All right, now let's go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so side number 2 is now complete. I think both sides came out really nice. Look at that. It just gives a cleaner look. It's hard to see in video. I don't know if you guys can see it as well, but it's cleaner. It doesn't have the shiny chrome. It actually fits the bike a little bit better now. Man, I'm so happy about this new air cleaner. This new intake looks nice. It is sick. It looks mean from every angle. Between that, the pipe, and the front fender, I'm really happy with the way that this episode came out. I still have quite a few things left that I have plans on doing. New floorboards are coming, brake pedal, and several other things are happening. Wait till you see what I'm going to be doing with my bar setup. These bars are soon going to be no more, and wait till you see what I'm putting here. Now, last but certainly not the least is going to be these HogWorkz mid-frame air deflectors. Basically, it's meant to direct heat away from the rider to improve like hot riding conditions, if you will. So I got these because I live in Central Florida, and in Central Florida it is hot as balls here. So these are what I picked up here. This is what the packaging looks like. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description box below of what these actually look like. I don't even see like a part number on this thing. I could be totally just missing it, but basically it comes with these air deflectors. You can get these color matched. I got these in vivid black, which is a Harley color, and then it comes with all of the necessary hardware that you need in order to get these things on the bike. So I'm gonna go ahead and really quickly just get these mounted up and show you guys what they look like. Okay, so I got a lot of learnings from doing this one side, which, by the way, was a complete pain in my ass. The first learning is they say to use the finer threads on top with this clip, and that's a bunch of bullshit. You don't need this clip, and the finer threads don't work on the Harley, which makes sense because Harleys don't use those. They use these coarse thread ones, which, by the way, HogWorkz does include. It's just interesting that their video shows them using the finer threads one and not this one, but maybe for my model year it's different. Anyways, just wanted to give you guys the heads up in case you guys are working on a 2020 Street Glide as well, 2020 Street Glide Special, I should say. Just all you need is these coarse threads and the washers, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and then the bottom push-in nut thing, man, that's pretty much it. All right, well, let's go ahead and do the other side now. So the second side was actually much easier. The second side only took me about 2 minutes to get on. So I guess once you know what to do and what to look out for, yeah, it's a really quick install and a really quick mod. I'm gonna go ahead and get the seat back on.
I really wanna feel ya, I really wanna see ya. I see your vibes, they close to me, close to me. I see your vibes, they growing on me, growing on me. You spell beauty, would you view a movie with me?
Well, it actually came out really clean. You can barely see that it's there, and obviously it does give you some level of heat protection. I think it goes with the bike really well. I'll give you a top view so you guys can see here, and the other side. You could barely tell that it's there, but obviously it'll give me some level of heat protection. I'll show you from this side, from this angle. It doesn't look like it's going to be in the way much, but obviously I'll give you guys an update and let you guys know what I think, and if it actually does protect heat. From what I hear on the Harley forums, it actually does provide you quite a bit of heat protection, surprisingly. So yeah, we'll see how I like it. I'll give you guys an update. All right, well, that's all I have for you guys on today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you want to get in on my weekly giveaways, you need to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. You also need to like this video and comment down below, and that will put you in for an opportunity to win one of my weekly cash giveaways. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button now and the notification bell. This way you're also notified every single time I put out a new video in my build series. Thanks again for watching. I genuinely do appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been showing me. I also appreciate all the positivity you guys have been giving in the comment section down below. I hope you guys keep that up. Don't forget to make sure that you're paying it forward. I'll check you guys out later. Bye now.